Disabling two-factor authentication on Squarespace can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your Squarespace account. Visit the Squarespace website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Access two-factor authentication settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security section. Click on it to find the option for two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the Security settings, locate the two-factor authentication option. There should be a toggle or button to disable it. Click on this option to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm your decision. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Squarespace account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.